Hey guys, Amanda here with e-bike reviews and adventures, and today I get to unbox my first e-bike, which is super exciting. This is the Haoqi Pokey all-terrain electric fat tire bike, and we're gonna get started. So the packaging looks pretty good. I like that it's taped on here, so there's a little extra padding. I'm not sure what this is doing though. So far I like that this looks like a motorcycle. The color is nice, and I also, if I actually tear into this a little bit, it's got like that vintage leather type look too, so that is really cool. And then these tires right here are knobby, and that's definitely a fat tire. Oh, it's a headlight. Oh, that's kind of a nifty looking headlight. Yeah, it's got the brackets, and hopefully all the hardware is in here. There's the pedals. Okay. Hexagon key wrench sets. Never had enough wrenches. There. Yep, that's the charger. Oh. The wrenches.
So axle thingy?
This thing? Axle thingy?
And how things go. You got that, then you got the little spring.
And then I got the jiggy jiggy.
Let me think for a second.
Through here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still learning parts.
Mm-hmm. That's okay.
And then but is it between? Okay, it is.
Is it?
Yeah. Come on. It's not. How am I supposed to screw this in?
You got a little more space.
Ah, there we go. Okay. That's pretty tight. I figure I'd just put it on loosely for now.
Mhm.
Nope, I got it. I just couldn't grab it with my fat fingers. Are you twisting? Okay, yeah. Hey guys, so I just finished my first unboxing, and so far I really like the feel of the bike. I like the look of it too, because it really does look like a motorcycle, just a little bit. Like, this kind of looks like a gas tank, but it looks like this is actually the battery. And I do like how lightweight this is. The only thing I don't like is you can't really adjust the seat. So like, if I needed to raise it or lower it, that's probably the only thing I don't like about the bike. But we can't do a full review on this bike today because unfortunately it is raining. The rain is coming in sideways, so we're gonna have to wait for a sunny day. But until then, look forward to that review. And my name's Amanda.